I feel like crap. Hopefully it doesn't look like crap. Oh, I do look like crap. Oh yeah, let's make me have a bigger forehead. Cool. Does that look stupid? Probably. Whatever. Just get on with the program. Hey guys, it's Ashley and welcome back to my channel, Hello Sparkles. Today I just have a kind of quick video for you guys. Nothing too special or important. I just wanted to let you guys know that I am going to be taking down my resin tips and tricks. And I just kind of wanted to make this my quick weekly video upload. Just to let you know that, which is because I don't have a whole lot of subscribers as of yet. I can't do like updates or community stuff on my channel yet. So this is my only way of notifying you if you do not follow me on Instagram and you don't follow me on TikTok or any of that stuff. So all that stuff's down in the description below. You can go click those links and follow me there. And that's my calendar, sorry. Anyway, I wanted to let you guys know, as I've already stated, that I'm going to be taking down my resin tips and tricks, and that's because there's some stuff in there that I don't like about it, some stuff in there that, because I was talking so fast and I was trying to get everything out, and it ended up being an extremely long video, even with me cutting it down a lot. I don't like how it turned out, and there was some stuff in there that it wasn't all necessarily true, I think. I can't remember exactly what it was, but there's a couple things in there I said that I'm like, haha, wait a minute, that's not what I meant, and it came out wrong. And of course, when you say things wrong on the internet, it comes back to bite you in the ass. So I don't really want that. So I'm going to take that down and throw this video up just so you guys, that sounded really bad. That's not what I meant either. See? I'm going to put this video up and wanted to let you guys know that that's what's going on, and why, if you were like, oh, I need to go back and watch that for some reason, which I highly doubt you are, but if you wanted to go back and watch that for some reason, that's why it's gone. But I am going to be refilming it probably sometime over the kids' fall break, put it up after fall break, which would be after Thanksgiving or Turkey Day, as I like to call it. I just call it Turkey Day. It'll be up sometime after that. And it's going to be broken up. Instead of one big gigantic video, I'm going to do is a supply video, and then I'm going to do my actual tips and tricks, like what I do to get the best results with the resin I use. I don't want to put out any false information or misinformation because I misspoke, because I talked too fast, because that was the mindset I was in when I made the video, and sometimes I get so excited when I'm filming that I talk a mile a minute, and that's just kind of how my brain goes, and I always have to remember to slow down, and it's very difficult for me because my brain is going, like, if you think of a hamster on a wheel where they're just going extremely fast, that's how fast my brain is going. My mouth doesn't always catch up, and then sometimes I say things that I don't mean, or I misword things. I misword things and I don't mean what I say, if that makes sense. Like, it comes out wrong, and at the time I'm like, oh, perfect, got it, done, and then I have to rewatch it a couple times to actually realize what I have said that might be wrong. And it's not that it was horrible information, it was just not correct information, and I don't want to put anything out there to mislead anybody from doing anything, or to not like something because I said something that wasn't completely 100% what I thought. And it sounds so weird and so hard to explain, but yeah, it's a whole mental thing, I guess. That's the best I can put it, and you'll see a lot of times too that I slur my words, or I will mix up a lot of my words. Again, it's all to do with my brain. Right now, if you can't tell, I'm kind of sick. I had sinus issues that settled into my ear. I get them all the time. I have had chronic ear infections since I was a kid. It's just what it is. I can't get them fixed. So this happens every year about this time where I'll get sick and I'll get ear infections. So that being said, this might be my last video before I put up my resin tips and tricks. I did want to kind of work on some Christmas stuff, but all the Christmas stuff I have currently planned right now of crafting are all handmade gifts, and I don't want to film and put up those handmade gifts before Christmas, because then it's like, here, watch how I made your gift that you get before you even get it. I don't want to do that. So I might film them and put them up after Christmas of how I made them and stuff like that, since they're not necessarily Christmas themed, they're just gifts. Let's see what else. But there are some Christmas decor I might make. I haven't settled if I'm going to do them yet or not, because right now I don't feel like it, so I can't sit there and say definitively I'm going to make these items. That's just where my brain is at right this moment. Again, the whole brain thing. But I wanted to keep up with trying to upload every week, and I know did I take last week off? I don't remember, because I got sick over the weekend, so I uploaded Friday. So no, this is my first week, so I'll probably upload this today. I filmed this on what's my calendar? I filmed this on 11/17, so I'll probably upload this sometime today and get this out. And I just want to let you guys know what was going on. And if you missed a couple videos from me, it's not really because you missed a couple videos from me. It's because I'm taking a small little break to film and get better and then move on. But I wanted to update you guys. I wanted to keep up with my schedule. I've been doing fairly well. Not great, but fairly well. And I know I took a little bit of a break in October, but that's just because I was trying to focus on October things, but also it was just a whole spiral of things kept happening. So nothing bad. It was just I stayed busy, or it felt like I stayed busy even if I wasn't. That doesn't make any sense, but that's what happened. I do hope that you guys, sorry, that was my text message. I do hope that you guys have a wonderful day. I hope you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, in anticipation of watching my resin tips and tricks, or my new resin tips and tricks. And I hope that you hit all the thumbs up on all those videos, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day, like I've already said. Bye.